Hello my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. Let's learn mathematics together. The aim of this channel is to help students overcome the fear of math by learning the concepts clearly. In this session, let's discuss about the chapter Quadratic Equations, and the numerical what we are going to solve is the sum of reciprocals of Rehman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3, considering the ages in years. And also, we will have to find the present age of Rehman. This numerical is a part of CBSE as well as NCERT for 10th standard mathematics. Now let us start the solution by noting down the numerical. The expectation is we will have to find the present age of Rehman, satisfying the condition that we will have to first find out the reciprocal of Rehman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now. These reciprocals will have to be added and equated to 1 by 3. Then that condition we will have to simplify and find the present age of Rehman. In order to find the present age of Rehman and to find out Rehman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now, let us assume Rehman's present age as x years. That is, Rehman's present age be x years is the initial assumption what we are doing, since we have to find out the present age of Rehman. Now to find Rehman's age 3 years ago, if x is a present age of Rehman, then Rehman's age 3 years ago would be x minus 3, and also similarly 5 years after his age would be x plus 5, since the present age of Rehman is x years. Therefore, Rehman's age 5 years from now would be x plus 5. 5 years from now is similar to after 5 years. Now, in order to build the condition, we will have to find the reciprocals of the ages x minus 3 and x plus 5. In order to do that, the reciprocal of x minus 3 would be 1 divided by x minus 3. Similarly, reciprocal of x plus 5 is 1 divided by x plus 5. Now, these reciprocals we will have to add and equate to 1 by 3. That is 1 divided by x minus 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 3. This equation cannot be factorized or simplified directly. That is, we cannot apply the completing the squares method or factorization method or any other method to solve this equation directly, since this equation is not a quadratic equation. In order to find the quadratic equation, let us simplify the LHS. In order to simplify the LHS, we will have to take LCM of the two terms in the denominator x minus 3 and x plus 5. Since the terms for which we have to find out the LCM are the variables, let us multiply these two terms. That is 1 divided by x minus 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 5. Upon taking LCM, the two terms in the denominator should be multiplied, x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now this first denominator x minus 3 should be taken and then divided with these terms. Therefore, x minus 3 and x minus 3 would get cancelled. We would be left with x plus 5. X plus 5 into 1 is the first term in numerator would be x plus 5. Similarly, x plus 5 would get cancelled here. We would be left with x minus 3. X minus 3 multiplied by numerator, which is 1. X minus 3 into 1 is x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3 as it is. Now, the denominator of the term looks like x plus a into x plus b. Formula, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now, wherever there is a in the formula, we have minus 3 because we have plus a here, we have minus 3 here, and wherever there is b, we have 5 here. Therefore, on comparing, we see that a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to plus 5. Now, let us substitute this particular RHS of the formula. That is, the denominator would be a square, that is x square, plus a plus b into x plus a into b, that is x square, plus a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to plus 5 into x plus a into b, that is minus 3 into 5. Minus 3 into 5. Now, the terms of a numerator both brackets have removed because there is nothing getting multiplied. Therefore, the terms of within the bracket x plus 5 and x minus 3 are written outside as it is equal to 1 by 3. Now, how to simplify these terms as it now would be in numerator x and x are like terms. So, 2x plus 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore, in numerator I would be having 2x plus 2. In denominator x square plus 5 minus 3 is 2 into x plus into minus is minus 3 5s are 15 is equal to 1 by 3 as it is. Now, in order to simplify, the numerator would remain as it is in the next step, that is 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2 into x is 2x minus 15 as it is equal to 1 by 3. Now, these terms can be simplified further by cross multiplying. Now, let us cross multiply the terms. So, 3 would get cross multiplied to numerator and 1 would get cross multiplied to the denominator terms. That is, upon cross multiplication of LHS and RHS, we see that 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by all the terms of a denominator, that is x square plus 2x minus 15. Therefore, 3 into 2x is 6x plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to x square into 1 is x square. 2x into 1 is plus 2x minus 15 into 1 is minus 15. So, here we have like terms on either side of the equals to, that is, let us transpose all the terms of LHS towards the RHS. Therefore, upon transpose, plus 6x minus 6 plus 6 would be becoming minus 6x and minus 6, whereas the terms of RHS would remain as it is, that is x square plus 2x minus 15 would remain as it is, plus 6x has become minus 6x, plus 6 has become minus 6. So, since all the terms of LHS have got transposed to RHS, LHS is 0 here. Now, x square, we have only one x square term, whereas 2x and 6x, there are two terms in x, that too with opposite sign, so they will get subtracted. That is, we would be getting minus 4x and minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21. Now, let us map the terms of LHS and RHS, that is, I would be taking it as x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now, this equation cannot be simplified further as the terms, all three terms are unlike terms, that is, one term is an x square term, the other term is an x term, and the third term is a constant term. Therefore, these three terms cannot be simplified further. Now, on comparing this with the standard form, this looks like the standard form. Why? Because the first term in both standard form as well as the given equation contains an x square term, and the second term contains an x term, third term is a constant term. Therefore, on comparing the coefficients, we would see that a is equal to plus 1 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 21. We also know that the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now, on substituting a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 21, we can simplify this equation further. That is, x is equal to minus of minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 whole square minus 4 into ab, that is 4 into 1 into minus 21 whole divided by 2a, that is 2 into 1, which is minus of minus 4 is plus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 whole square is minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16, that is plus 16 here, minus into minus is plus, 4 ones are 4 multiplied by 21 is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 whole divided by 2 ones are is 2. That is, we see that within square root I have plus 16 and plus 84. Therefore, 16 plus 84 would be equal to 100. So, the next step would be 4 plus or minus square root of 100 whole divided by 2. Square root of 100 is 10. That is, x is equal to 4 plus or minus 10 whole divided by 2. Or since x can have two different values, since it's a quadratic equation, therefore x is equal to 4 plus 10 whole divided by 2 or 4 minus 10 whole divided by 2. That is, x is equal to 4 plus 10 is 14 whole divided by 2 or 4 minus 10 is minus 6 whole divided by 2, which implies x is equal to 2 ones are 2 sevens are or 2 ones are 2 threes are, x is equal to minus 3. Since x is Rehman's present age, so x cannot be negative. That is, since x is Rehman's present age, x cannot be negative, therefore minus 3 cannot be considered here. That is, Rehman's present age is 7 years. That is, Rehman's present age is 7 years. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.